The operational impacts under IFRS 17 to data and systems are considerable, from data collection and management to actuarial and accounting engines to new presentation and disclosures. While a lot of work is being done on understanding the technical requirements of IFRS 17, firms are still working through the impacts on technology architecture and wider operating model changes. Analysis has been performed in this area as part of impact assessments, but limited progress has been made to date, which has been driven by focus on financial impacts to profit signatures, volatility, and comparison to local stat and gap measures, industry debate on appropriate interpretations, internal debate on incremental investments needed to meet future business requirements versus minimum compliance, and vendor solutions being still under development. A key concern for all clients is how and when to make system and technology decisions. A decision that is too early may result in sunken cost, time-consuming rework, and even put delivery at risk. Equally, a decision that is too late may mean the delivery is placed at risk, financial impacts are misunderstood, and reporting teams are unable to embed adequate procedures and controls to support the calculations. We expect that firms will need to finalise their decisions over 2018 in order to design, build, test and deploy new models in time for IFRS 17. As firms transition from impact assessments to implementation, we have developed a blueprint that clearly outlines the deliverables that we believe are needed to allow firms to confidently move forward into the detailed implementation and design. The blueprint focuses providing the framework of how IFRS 17 can be operationalized and embedded within the business. Key questions that our blueprint can help address are: have I considered how the technical design may impact my technology architecture? What are the new processes required in the data volumes that need to be managed? Is my infrastructure geared up to handle this? Do I have a clear understanding of the impact to my close process? What parts will need to be automated? What are the new controls and procedures that need to be in place? Do I have a clear transition plan to migrate to the new systems? Will I need to build or maintain tactical solutions for dry run and day one reporting? And finally, do I have the right resources to deliver this, and if not, where do I need help? To address these questions, a key element of our blueprint phase is to leverage soft design, which emphasizes focusing on working assumptions, process data and control requirements, and uses proof of concepts, prototypes and sandboxes to ensure continual progress while maintaining the appropriate levels of control and flexibility needed as technical policy choices are locked down and vendor solutions are enhanced. One example of a tool that can accelerate the soft design process is our IFRS 17 data and process visualization tool. The tool provides the foundational data and process flows underlying IFRS 17 models, from source systems through accounting and actuarial platforms to financial reporting and additional disclosures. The tool facilitates conversation and bridges the knowledge gap between actuaries, accountants, and data and system architects on the impacts of IFRS 17's technical requirements and their associated impacts on the technology architecture. The tool allows drill down on different elements of the data flow and provides commentary on IFRS 17 requirements at each step. It provides example data elements with commentary on data attributes, volumes, storage, and wider technology implications. It also highlights how these requirements change under different scenarios as experience and assumptions differ from initial estimates. The tool is easily adaptable to a firm's own technology suite and provides additional insights on how different platforms can impact the calculation process, underlying data flows, and the operational handoffs between teams. At PwC, we believe that firms that fully engage in the soft design process to help identify the optimal IFRS 17 technology solution and operating model will minimize execution risk, enhance the engagement and coordination of resources, and maximize the likelihood that the resulting solution delivers meaningful business benefits beyond IFRS 17 reporting requirements.